Well, hey guys, what's up? It's your boy AI Legends, and yeah, guys, today I am back with another series, which is going to be What If Naruto Was an Abandoned Demon Lord? Well, guys, it is going to be a pretty interesting series as I was deciding to make this series for a pretty long time. So today I finally decided to upload the first part of this series, and I hope that you guys will like it and support this series. And if you guys want the next part of this series, then the like goal is going to be 300 likes, and for the comments it is going to be 180 comments. Do that and I shall upload the next part of this series as quick as possible. So without any further ado, and yeah guys, before starting this video, I would like to make a request to all of you guys who are watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel or if you guys have not subscribed yet, please guys do so, as I want to reach 10k as quick as possible, and I have already reached 7.6k subscribers, for which I'm really thankful for. So it would be great that I will be able to reach 10k at the end of this month. So I'm pretty sure that you guys will help me in this journey. So without any further ado, let us start our video. So we are going to start this video with Minato, as Minato has just, you can say, completed the seal of the 9 days. This time he had 3 children, which are going to be Menma, Mito and Naruto. Well guys, many people ask me why do I always make Menma and Mito, because it is most commonly used, and in many of my series I have named both of them like this. I can name, you can say, Mito, Naruto, as well as Menma some other name, but it is, you can say, more easy to remember, so that I might not forget it in the, you can say, later part. So I hope that you guys will like it. So without any further ado, as I was saying, as Minato, this time Jiraiya as well as third Hokage and as well as Orochimaru and all the Sanis were in the village, so they were easily able to seal away 9 tails inside of Menma and Mito and the soul inside of Naruto. As the seal was finally completed, as Minato said, "Whew, well, that was pretty rough, huh?" Yeah, Satakage nodded. Well, Minato, it seemed that the condition of the village is not so good. As Minato nodded, as now we have a timescape of Minato, as Minato was standing in front of all the crowd of the, you can say, civilians as we speak up. Well, it was, you can say, a drastic day for Konoha. A dark day will be written in history, 10th October. Well, it was the day, you can say, when the 9 days the demon fox attacked our village and destroyed our nation, almost crippled our village, but in the end we were able to seal, you can say, finish off the 9 tails, and he was finally defeated, as everyone started to, you can say, cheer for the 4th Hokage, as Minato had a smile on his face, and then already knowing that there would be enemies listening to this as well, so he had to tell them that the Konoha is not weak and they still have the power of the 9 tails under their command. As I said, well, it would not have been possible if 2 of my, you can say, my children were not to born today. This surprises many of the people. So 4th Hokage had children. What does the 9 tails attack has to that? As Minato nodded, as Kushina arrived with Menma and Mito in her arm, while on the other hand Naruto was in the arms of Tsunade. As then Minato picked up both Menma and Mito and said, "These are the Jinchurikis of the 9-tailed fox." After hearing this, everyone, a silent was on everyone's faces, and then crowd, you can say, cheer, you can say, rushed towards, almost scream that killed the demons and all, as Minato became pretty angry about it, as he released a lot of bloodlust and started to explain that how if Menma and Mito were not to born today, then the village would have been destroyed by the hands of the 9 tails and there would be nothing left of it, as only an Uzumaki can seal away the 9 tails, otherwise the Bijus are just chakra and they cannot be destroyed, as people started to realize that if Menma and Mito were not there, as Minato smiled at that. After seeing that, many of the people started to understand it, as he said, "Today, I declare both of my children, Menma and Mito, as the heroes of this village, and they shall be praised as such." As everyone erupted into cheers by the name of Menma and Mito, as Minato as well as Kushina had huge smiles on their faces, as Menma had red hair along with Mito, as both of them were redhead, as everyone realized that this was the family of Hokage, as everyone simply cheered for them, as people were simply looking towards Minato as well as Menma and Mito. Now let us went past to, you can say, After 3 days, all the preparations were made in the Konoha as Konoha started to get powerful once again and the rebuilding start. And then finally Jiraiya arrived and said, Minato, I have come with a pretty important news I have to tell you. As Tadokage as well as Kushina, you can say Tsunade were there, but Kushina was not there. As Minato said, what is it, Jiraiya sensei? Is it some other village trying to attack us? As Jiraiya shook his head, don't worry Minato, I have already planted several things so that no village will dare to attack Konoha thinking that we are weak. Don't worry about it, I have already planned everything. As Minato nodded at that. As Jiraiya spoke up, well Minato, it seemed that the Toad summoning as well as all the summonings were pretty restless at the moment. As Jiraiya raised as Minato raised an eyebrow and said, what do you mean by that? As Tsunade spoke up, well, when it comes to slug summoning, they were also a bit curious and also, you can say, restless about something, though they did not tell me and they were not even sure about themselves. As Jiraiya nodded, well, Minato, it seemed that all the boss summons, or rather, the elders of all the summoning contracts, were able to give a union prophecy about a child who shall have the power of the darkest sun, and from the, you can say, from the power unseen and the strongest, the legendary power in the whole world, unrivaled by any, not by any. As Minato raised an eyebrow, what do you mean by that? The darkest sun? And what are you talking about? Is it some type of danger? As Jiraiya shook his head, no Minato. The prophecy states that the child shall either have the power to destroy the world, but also have the will to save it, and he will be the one to decide the future. As Minato raised an eyebrow and said, well Jiraiya sensei, it does not make any sense to me. As Tadokage was also listening, pretty curious, as then Orochimaru arrived. Well, when it comes to Snake, they were also pretty restless about it. As Minato said under breath, Orochimaru, though he did not like the Sannin, but still he was a loyal Sannin, so he did not had anything against Orochimaru. As Orochimaru simply shrugged, well, that is that, Minato. So, what is the prophecy? What does it say? Jiraiya smirked and said, well, Minato, long ago they also gave me another prophecy about myself when I reverse summoned myself into the world of the summons, Toad summons to be exact, and they told me that one day a child shall born who shall save this world, and I believe that both of these prophecies are linked together. As Minato said, so what does it actually mean, Jiraiya sensei? As Jiraiya said, well Minato, I think that one of Menma and Mito is going to be the child of prophecy, darkest sun and the darkest energy refer to the 90th chakra, as after all it is an ancient being and the strongest among all the bijus, as well as you can say the strongest entity in this world at the moment. As Minato was pretty surprised, after all this was alright and this does makes a bit of sense. As Kushina arrived with, you can say, as he said, what are you talking about, Jiraiya? As Jiraiya said, well Kushina, as I was saying, according to the summons and their elders, it seemed that one of Menma and Mito is going to be the child of prophecy who is going to either save the world or destroy it. As Minato simply nodded at that. As Tadokage said, well, it could be Naruto as well. As everyone looked towards him, as Jiraiya said, well, I don't think that, sensei, because Naruto does not have any chakra of the 9 tails, though he does have the soul and the body of the 9 tails, but it does not matter. As Tadokage simply nodded, as then Jiraiya said, well Minato, I have something to talk to you about. Well, in private, as Minato simply nodded at that as he signaled all of them and they started to leave. And after some time, you can say some loud voices were coming outside of the Hokage's office as now inside. As Jiraiya sighed and said, well Minato, I have a proposition for you. As Minato raised an eyebrow, what do you mean by that, sensei? As Jiraiya sighed, well Minato, I think that we should leave Konoha for some time. As Minato asked Warden, what are you talking about, sensei? The village needs us at the moment. We are at our weakened state. As Jiraiya raised an eyebrow, as put a hand towards Minato and said, stop it Minato. At the moment I'm saying that we should leave Kushina, you, as well as Menma and Mito, and I will come as well as Tsunade. So, I think that we should raise Menma and Mito and they should know about the world as well. We shall raise them from the very point and they will not go on the path of the darkness. As Minato said, what are you talking about? As Jiraiya said, well Minato, you never know when a person changes, but if we were to raise them properly and tell them their main purpose from the very start, that how their purpose is to save the world, then they will not fall on the dark path and they will finally become the child of prophecy which they are destined to be. As Minato started to think about it, as Jiraiya pushed it on and said, well Minato, it has never been all the elders of the sage all the summoning contract are restless about it. I don't know if something bad were to happen, so we have to take action. Who knows if the other summoning contracts try to take Menma and Mito for themselves so that they can raise them properly. It is pretty difficult time, Minato, but you have to make a decision. Right now, Third Hokage can take on the village once again, and we can leave for some years, and after that you can take the head back. It is not like it is going anywhere. As Minato started to think about it, as he said, well, Sensei, I have to think about it. I think we should taking Menma, Mito and Naruto out of the village. As Jiraiya said, well, Minato, it is just a point. Naruto cannot come with us. As Minato raised an eyebrow, what do you mean by that? He's just a child. Are you just suggesting that I leave him in the village? Jiraiya sighed and said, well, Minato, you already know that Menma and Mito are the child of prophecy, while on the other hand Naruto does not fit in the prophecy. So I don't think that it's a good idea. He might get jealous of their power and training and all, and it could affect both the child of prophecies as well as Naruto in the wrong way as well. As Minato was pretty angry after hearing that. What do you mean by that, Sensei? Are you telling me that I leave one of my children here in the village and come after several years to tell him, hey, I'm your dad? As Jiraiya simply shook his head. Well, Minato, it is for the world. You have to understand the consequences here. The world is on the hands of Menma and Mito. As Minato was pretty confused at the moment, and then the door opened. Well, Minato, I don't think it's a bad idea. As to Minato's utter shock, it was Kushina who has entered. As he said, Kushina, what are you doing here? As Kushina said, well, Minato, I heard everything. To be honest, I'm not so happy about leaving Naruto here. But if all the summons are saying that Menma and Mito are the child of prophecy, and who knows, they might try to take them for themselves so that they can train them properly. If we were not to show that how we are training the child of prophecy at the same time, then it could be dangerous for Naruto as well as Menma and Mito at the same time. As Minato sighed about it, as he said, damn it. As now we have a time skip of 3 days, as Minato was now in his office as well as Third Hokage with Naruto in his hand. As Third Hokage said, Minato, it is not the way that I thought you were. How can you leave one of your children here in the village? As Minato sighed, well, Lord Third, to be honest, I do not want to do this. So why are you doing this, Minato? He's your son. What are you going to tell him after all those years when you come back that, hey, I'm your father and I left you here because guess what? It was a prophecy told to me by some toads. As Jiraiya speak up, well, Sensei, you have to understand the consequences here. We are also protecting him as well. As for Naruto, he will be in contact with Minato as well as Kushina through letters and all. And it is not like he's the first children who's going to raise up without his parents in the world. After all, the needs of more overpowers the needs of one. As you can say, Third Hokage gritted his teeth towards Jiraiya. What do you mean by that, Jiraiya? As by leaking a lot of bloodlust. As Jiraiya gulped, as Tsunade said, alright, Sensei, cut it off. It is just few years. As Third Hokage looked towards Tsunade and said, Tsunade, you're a Senju, come on. You can remain in the village. After all, it is Kushina, Minato, Jiraiya are living here. You can raise the child. As Kushina speak up, well, we are going to make Menma and Mito how to control the Nine-Tails power properly, and if they get injured, then we need someone like Tsunade to heal her. As Third Hokage gritted his teeth. What do you mean by that, Kushina? Are you telling me that the palace of the Fire Daniel does not have any healers, any medical, you can say, shinobis, and you have to just take Tsunade with you as well, huh? As Kushina flinched at the tone, as Tsunade sighed and said, well, Third Hokage, Lord Third, I personally want to train Mito as my apprentice, and that's one of the reasons I want to go on this training trip. As for Naruto, as Third Hokage said, what about him now, huh? As he said, well, I thought it for a long time, Lord Third, but it seemed that we have no other choice but to leave him at the orphanage. As now the room was filled with the utter bloodlust. As Third Hokage said, what do you mean by that, Minato? Try to explain it to me. As Minato gulped and said, well, you know, Lord Third, in the meeting that I said that before, I did not mention Naruto on purpose because you know that if people were to find out about him, as many of my enemies will come after him and he does not have the Nine-Tails chakra. As Third Hokage raised an eyebrow, Minato, he's just a child, and you explain to your other children as well. Even if they have the Nine-Tails chakra, they still cannot protect themselves. As Minato said, well, that's the main reason. You know, I have many enemies. So later in the time when he become a Jonin, then he can take my clan name, as third Hokage now was glaring at Minato with daggers in his eyes. So, it was all along your plan that you're not even going to give Naruto his birthright, your own name, Minato. As Minato gulped and said, well, you know that I have many enemies, Lord Third. I have to do this for his own protection. As Third Hokage simply shook his head. Minato, you're not the only one in this whole world, in this whole village who have enemies, but they also have families and they have this some responsibility. Even I made several. I lived through 3 shinobi wars. Even I have Asuma and my grandson in this village, and I never, you can say, was ashamed on them as I raised them properly, and I told the whole world that they are my children, and I dare them to lay a hand towards them, and you are a coward, not even giving your son your name. As Minato said as he became angry, well, Lord Third, I have recently passed a war and there are many people after my head and they will be after Naruto as well. As Third Hokage simply shook his head. Minato, you really disappoint me here. As Minato simply shook his head. Well, Lord Third, if he does become strong enough when I arrive here, who knows, I might even give him the name of my own. As Third Hokage narrowed his eyes. Alright, Minato, get lost from here and leave the village now. Right now, I am the acting Hokage and you are just my subordinate. Remember that. Now, get lost. As releasing a lot of bloodlust as everyone gulped as they started to move around and leave the office. As Tsunade simply shook her head. Well, Lord Third, I'm really disappointed in you. As Third Hokage simply, you can say, nodded his head and said, no, Tsunade, I'm disappointed in you. As she simply left, as Third Hokage sighed and said, well, it is definitely going to be troublesome. As he looked towards the child, Naruto, but to his surprise, the kid was simply looking towards him in curiosity, as well as looking towards the door, which was just shut. As Third Hokage raised an eyebrow, what could be the reason? It seemed like this kid already knows what is going on around him, and knows what will happen, as he simply shrugged it off. Now, we have a timescape of 2 years, as Naruto was 2 years old, and several, you can say, nurses were trying to simply hold him, but a simple flick of his hand, as it was pretty strange as Third Hokage was doing his paperwork and then some doctors erupt into the office as Third Hokage raised an eyebrow as the doctors speak up. Lord Third, you have to come with us. I want to show you something. As Third Hokage raised an eyebrow. Wonder if that is now, huh? As he said, it's about as Third Hokage raised an eyebrow, as he said, the child you gave us. As Third Hokage said, what happens to him now? As he said, come with us, Lord Third. As Third Hokage nodded as several Ambus along with Hiruzen arrived on the room to his utter shock as all the nurses were flying within the air, as Naruto was simply giggling and all as they were being in the mid-air, as well as several things in the room were flying. As Saitokage raised was pretty in utter shock as all the Ambus there, as he said, what? As he looked around to see if there are some other shinobis trying to trick them, but no. When he entered into the room, Kid Naruto looked towards him as he started to giggle as everything, all the things that were floating within the air simply slammed to the ground as nurses started to grumble, damn demon, as they were wondering in their mind as Naruto was simply giggling. As Saitokage picked up Naruto as he said, so Naruto-kun, it seems that you have some type of Kekkei Genkai and you have able to activate it even in such a young age. Pretty surprising, huh? As Naruto simply was giggling and then Saitokage said, alright, cat, take him to the restroom, as he simply nodded as then Cat was about to grab Naruto, but Naruto simply narrowed his eyes towards him as his eyes flickered to red for a moment, and then, if you can say, a baby hand of Naruto was slammed into his mouth, sending him flying outside of the room. As Third Hokage was in utter shock, his Ambu was literally sent flying outside of the hospital as he looked towards Naruto, who was simply glaring at all the Ambus as Third Hokage flinched at that, and then Naruto looked towards him as he started to giggle once again and started to do you know the baby things and all as Third Hokage sighed, so you like me and not other people, though in his mind was wondering what type of kid is this and what are these strange abilities and how did Naruto get them? Is it some type of Kekkei Genkai, some type of mutation, just like Hashirama Senju? Just like Hashirama Senju would style, as he was wondering all of these things in his mind as he sighed. Right now, he has many things to deal with. As he simply grumbled and said, "Alright, Kid Naruto, come with me." As he picked him to his Hokage's office and started to do paperwork and all, by keeping Naruto in his, you can say, lab and all. As Naruto started to sleep, and now we have another time skip of 4 years, and now Danzo had the brightest idea to reveal everyone in the village that Naruto is the demon child. At this point, you can say all the village started to know that Naruto was the one who had the soul and the body of the Nine Tails sealed inside of it. As now everyone started to hate him, but Naruto was a strange kid even in the eyes of the villagers, as he did not give a fuck about at anyone condition, or he did not even care. As now we have a, you can say, as he was passing by within the village, as people were simply whispering things and all. Hey, isn't that the demon? Yeah, isn't that the damn brat? As he holds the Nine Tails, but I thought the Hokage's son and daughter has it. No, they only had the power, but the soul. He's the soul of the Nine Tails. As he said, yeah, maybe we should get right now. We have the opportunity to get the revenge for our loved ones. As a mob started to form around Naruto, as Naruto simply was walking with a, you can say, a smile on his face. As Naruto was pretty strange kid, as he had multiple abilities at this point, as he was pretty unique for his own kind. At this point, you can say Third Hokage even started to reconsider the prophecy which Jiraiya told. It never ever mentioned the power of the Nine Tails in the prophecy, but right now he has some doubts. So he just wanted to absorb and did not tell Minato or Kushina about it. So as he did send that how Naruto has some kind of kick Genkai or anything, but they did not believe him, telling him that how he's just stalling, that they should take Naruto with them, or if their son is a burden to him. As Hiruzen glared at the, you can say, letter when it was returned, telling him the, you can say, Lord Third, the professor, that he was a liar, or he's just trying to stall that how the little kid Naruto is a burden to him, which angered Hiruzen to a new level as he burnt the paper right there and then, and never told about the progress of Naruto to anyone. And now, all the, you can say, many villagers started to corner Naruto as they were in the alleyway, as one of the villagers smirked, "Alright, demon, so what do you have to say for yourself? And all the people you have killed off." As Naruto was simply looking towards him with a blank expression on his face. The people I killed, you say? What are you talking about? But insect, as the villager glared at him with pure anger in his eyes. "You damn demon! How dare you to call me a insect? I'm a chunin, for God's sake." As Naruto simply smirked. Well, for someone as pathetic and weakling as you, sorry, I mistaken you for an insect who just I crushed under my foot and did not even notice. As all the villagers were in utter shock, this was a 4 year child who was talking back to them, as they were all underneath him, as one of the Genin glared at Naruto. It was an Uchiha, as he said, "You damn brat, it is because of you our clan is treated in that way. Now you're going to pay for it. Fast style, great fireball Chusu." As he released a big gigantic fireball towards Naruto, as all the villagers saw in shock as the flames erupted Naruto, and there was a big boom, as the Genin was simply smirking. That will teach you a lesson, you damn demon. No one is above Uchihas. We are But before he could complete a sentence, you can say, a small finger was on his chest. Uchihas, you say? I heard about you weaklings. As everyone was in utter shock when there was not even a scratch. As a matter of fact, the place that was burnt away, simply fire, vanished into nothingness. As Naruto said, pretty weak of a flame you have there. As Uchiha was in utter shock, he could feel a presence that was around him, as if it was the presence of death itself. As all the villagers, they started to, you can say, unconsciously took a step back in utter fear. You can say, a feeling that was around it, as Naruto's body started to glow with dark aura, and then suddenly they could see a face of dark energy made of a devil, as their eyes widened. As Naruto said, you guys are pretty pathetic, aren't you? So I don't have time for your insignificant existence. Why don't you guys simply, I don't know, disappear? As Naruto snapped his finger, and the next thing they knew, as they let out a scream of pain and agony, and the next thing they knew, as the green flame started to surround their body, as they turned into nothingness and finally enveloped into, you can say, the air with the dust of their bodies. As to Naruto, as they simply shrugged, as they simply vanished from the area. As now, we have another timescape as Naruto was standing in front of Third Hokage at the age of 7. At this point, Naruto has shown multiple abilities which Third Hokage thought were, you can say, pretty interesting. So he started to realize that the prophecy, if there is a child of truly a prophecy, then it would be only and only Naruto. So he had to take care of the only thing which Minato and Jiraiya were worried about. If Naruto were to fall on the wrong path, then he has to show him the true path of a true shinobi and how he has to save the world if the needs be. As Third Hokage was now sitting with Naruto, as both of them were doing, you can say, a game of Choji. What was the game name? Game of chess. As Third Hokage said, so Naruto, what do you want to do in the future? As he made his move in the desk, as Naruto also did it and said, to be honest, I have never thought much about it, but things are pretty boring here, so I think that I will join the Shinobi Academy for a little bit of fun, As he simply, Third Hokage nodded, so you want to become a Shinobi, Naruto? So, what is the main reason? Is it because you're bored? As Naruto simply shrugged, of course it's the main reason. What other is there? As Third Hokage sighed, well Naruto, well, what to say to you? Don't you have any friends or anything you want to protect in the future? As Naruto simply shrugged, well, that is certain, and that is the reality of the life, a common destination for everyone. And in this world we live, it's simply that it comes at any moment. But it does not matter. Even in the normal world, if there were no wars, that will come either way. So I'm rather not make myself attached to many people so that I might hurt in the end. As Third Hokage sighed at that, well Naruto, it is common saying that those who do not have any precious one will not get any much stronger in the later line. As Naruto simply shrugged at that, the strength is not something I'm afraid of, old man. I have plenty of it. While on the other hand, if you're talking about the loved ones, it could be a great experience if I had in the line. Though I do have some loved ones, As Sadokage said, so who are those people making a move? As Naruto said, of course you, old man. As Sadokage laughed, well, to be honest, Naruto, I am pretty honored that you consider me a loved one, as Naruto simply shrugged, and there are some others in the village. Though this village sometime it is pretty rotten to the players. You do know that there are people still watching us, right? As Tadukage simply shrugged, well Naruto, don't worry. I have already put the silent seals around, so even if they can see us, it does not matter. As Naruto simply shrugged, well, your blindness towards your so-called friend is going to get you killed one day. As Tadukage laughed, well, this is the shinobi world, Naruto. In the end of the day, we have to use others for our own advantages. As Naruto shrugged back, so I'm going to become a shinobi either way, and who knows, I might get some loved ones as well. As Tadukage sighed, well Naruto, about your parents, you never asked them about it. So, can you tell me, don't you want to know about your parents? As Naruto simply shrugged, why should I? I already know who they are. As Tadakuge's eyes widened on that. What do you mean by that, Naruto? As Naruto said, look at me, old man. What do you see? As Tadukage was a bit confused, as Naruto said, blonde hairs, blue eyes, name Uzumaki. Well, pretty common to me. Look at that. As pointing towards the back, you can say, finger at the fourth Hokage's picture that was in the Hokage's office at Tadakuge's eye. So you were able to figure it out, huh? So, when did that happen, Naruto? As Naruto said, simply shocked, at the age of 3. As Tadakuge's eyes widened, and you're telling me now? As Naruto said, well, you never asked, old man. As Tadakage sighed, this kid was definitely strange. Not does he have so many abilities, though Tadakage was able to put up a law for telling those people not to tell anyone about the abilities of Naruto. Just for safety, he removed their memories of Naruto's abilities and all, though he had to do it often to his ambus as well, so that only he himself knows the strange abilities of Naruto. As Naruto simply shrugged and said, so when this academy is going to begin, I just want to get this over with. As Tadakage sighed, well Naruto, I know about your talent and all, and you're a prodigy. Though, I have no doubt in my mind you will be able to harness the power of chakra and all the things that is taught in the academy, but I do not want you to graduate so early. As Naruto raised an eyebrow. And what do you mean by that, old man? As said Hokage sighed, well, Naruto, I want you to graduate with your age group because I do not want your life to be go any more troublesome. You can consider it another experience in your life, as Naruto was now having a, you can say, figure in his hand, as he said, alright old man, if you say so. And now here's check and mate. As Satokage's eyes widened as his king was finally defeated by Naruto, as Naruto shrugged, well, about this family of mine, so God, to be honest, I do not care about them. I never felt anything or any need about them. Though you can call me strange. But that's how I am, old man. As Satoge simply nodded. Well, Naruto, if there is anyone who knows you're a strange person, then it is definitely me. Thinking that in his mind, as Naruto said, alright, old man, I'll be leaving. I have some preparations to do. As he simply, you can say, started to walk out of the office of Third Hokage, as Third Hokage sighed as he looked towards the photo of Minato and said, Minato, I don't know how much are going to mess things up. As he finally decided to write another letter, as he said, Dear Minato, the fourth Hokage, my successor, I'm once again telling you after all these years. Though you can consider Man-Man Mito as a child of prophecy, but the powers and the abilities and the prodigy, how much the prodigy your son Naruto has led me to believe that Naruto is the true child of prophecy. That though I'm just telling you this last time, you can believe me or you can ignore me. It does not matter to me. As he sent the letter once again to Minato, not expecting much from him. Now let us go to the side of Minato, as well as Kushina, Tsunade, and Jiraiya, and Man-Man Mito, as both Man-Man Mito had huge smirks on their faces, as they were 7 years old and their training had begun 2 years ago. As Kushina said, well, Man-Man Mito, that was pretty impressive. Perhaps you are able to harness the sword pretty well. As Manma smirked, well, mom, after all, you are the one who is teaching me. As Kushina blushed, of course, little dear. As Mito said, well, I could be much better than you, Manma. You already know that I'm developing my chains. As Manma laughed and said, well, it doesn't matter. Stupid chains cannot overcome the true child of prophecy. As Mito said, you can only wish, brother, because only child of prophecy here is me. As both of them started to bicker among themselves, as everyone was simply laughing, and then a Ambu landed beside Minato. Lord Fourth, as Minato looked towards him, what do you want, As he gave him the letter, as Minato opened the letter and started to read it, as he sighed, as he said, well, it seemed that it's Lord Third again. As Kushina sighed, what does he want, As he gave the letter to Kushina, as Kushina started to read it, and then Jiraiya and Tsunade also came in, as all of them looked towards each other, as they sighed, well, it seemed that Lord Third is truly getting desperate here, telling us that Naruto is the child of prophecy. At this, both Manma and Mito looked towards their mother. What are you talking about, mother? Are you talking about that failure of a brother? As all of them looked towards him, Mito, that is enough. I already told you not to badmouth your older brother. As Mito said, well, he was nothing special. And why does Lord Third is saying that he's the child of prophecy? Doesn't he know only I am the child of prophecy? As Manma said, shut up. I'm the true child of prophecy. As Kushina sighed, well, he thinks that Naruto has some strange Kekkei Genkai. As Minato sighed, well, he did told me about it, but I don't believe him properly. Though it does not matter. We already know that who is the true child of prophecy, and we are training him, right? As Jiraiya nodded at that. Of course, Man-Man Mito are the true child of prophecy. Don't worry about Lord Third. He's just trying to take all the burden from his head to us. As they simply nodded. Now let us go to the mind of Naruto. As Naruto was simply in the village, or rather in the forest of death. As I said, what should I do? Maybe I should try to kill some animals here to get rid of my boredness. But before Naruto could go anywhere, as his eyes simply closes, and then he was forced into another dimension. As his eyes opened to see, he was in a strange place. As Naruto opened his eyes to see, he was in some strange type of castle, and then a person started to walk up to him. So, you're the one who has inherited my powers, The one who is the reincarnation of great overlord. As Naruto looked towards him, with, you can say, both of his hands in his pocket, with a, you can say, neutral expression. And who are you? Walking skeleton? I never thought that one. As the person simply burst into laughter and said, well, big words coming from a mouth of a child. Huh. As Naruto looked towards him, and who are you, and where am I? As the person finally came to the light and said, my name is Ains All Goal. As Naruto said, pretty long of a name, I will only call you Ains. As the person had a sweat drop on that. Alright, that was pretty intimidating in my world, as he thought in his mind. As he said, as Naruto looked towards him, and mind telling me, who are you, or rather, why are you still laughing and walking in the first place? Shouldn't you be in some type of grey bar, something like that? As Ains said, alright, Brad, that is enough. Alright, let's explain things. But before he could say, another person started to walk towards him. Why so hurry, Ains? Are you getting so troublesome later in the dates? As another person started to walk within the light, as Naruto looked towards him, as it was none other than a young boy. As Naruto raised an eyebrow, and who are you again? As the person only smiled and said, my name is Honest Voldigod. As Ains said, alright, Honest, it seems that you're also here. Well, I thought that it's about time we decided to meet our reincarnation. As Naruto looked towards both of them. So, mind telling me, who are you guys again, and where am I, and what are you talking about, reincarnation and all? As then Honest started to speak out. Well, little kid, allow me to introduce myself properly. I'm a demon king of tyranny from a different world than yours, and this guy here, as in speak out. Well, I can introduce myself, Honest, thank you. As I said, and I am an overlord from a different world. Both of us are actually from the demon of inheritance, as well as the lineage, and you on the other hand, you came from a different world where our kind does not exist, the demons and all. As Naruto raised an eyebrow, the demons and all, huh? As Honest speak out, well, I'm a demon king, and this my friend is an overlord. And you on the other hand, it seems that you are the reincarnation of both of us. Though I do not know why you are chosen as our reincarnation in the first place, because both of us have enough power to conquer your little world within seconds if we so desire, as our individual power is more than enough to destroy the elemental nation within a blink of an eye. As Naruto said, and I have both of your powers. So that explains all the power that I hold in myself. Though I always could feel that I was a bit strange, though I never thought that I was a demon. As then you can say in speaker, well, you're not a demon in technically, though you did inherit the demonic power from our demon king here. While on the other hand, I am not a demon, I'm an overlord. As Naruto said, and what's an overlord now? As I said, well, it is kind of, you can say, demonic power or a demonic entity, but still different in many cases. Though in the end, you can say that you have demonic powers in you, or rather, both of our powers. As Naruto looked towards both of them, and who's the stronger one of you? As both of them simply look towards each other. As Honest speak out, well, it does not concern you. Last time we fought each other, we destroyed the plain area where we were, so we had to stop the battle. As Naruto simply shrugged at that. And why am I here again? As Honest sighed and said, well, little kid, you're pretty troublesome, and your attitude, to be honest, I like it. As he had a smirk on his face, as even Ains let out a laughter and said, well, allow me to explain it properly. Well, it is pretty simple. We got bored by remaining in your mind, so we decided to pass on to the next life, or rather, to, you can say, if we are to born separately, because here, we are just trapped here. Even though you are our reincarnation, but still, it is boring here. As Naruto simply shrugged at that. So, what do you guys want? As Honest speaker, well, we are going to give you all of our knowledge, our powers, and different type of spells and all, about our abilities. And in the end, we will simply disappear from this mind of yours, from your body, but you will have all of our powers and all. As Naruto said, so I will still be the reincarnation of you guys. As Honest speaker, of course you're going to be the reincarnation of ourselves. It is just that our consciousness will pass out to the next life. As Naruto simply shrugged and said, well, if you're so in hurry to leave this world, that be my guess. Just get this over with. As both of them simply smirk at Naruto. Your attitude, we really like it, kid. As in speak up, alright. as he looked towards Honors. Allow me the honors. As Honors simply nodded, as he put the, you can say, hand towards Naruto's head, and then he rubbed into the blackish aura and started to surround Naruto's body, as Naruto's body was engulfed in the black aura from the outside of the world. Whole hidden leaves started to get darker and darker as the, you can say, in the noon, it was like the night has fallen upon the hidden leaf village. Not only that, all the elemental nations shook for, you can say, for a moment, as while on the other hand, in the hidden leaf village, as the wind was blowing all over in the fire nation, as Menma and Mito were training, as they looked upward towards the sky, as the thunders could be heard, as the red lighting was clapping in the skies, as Minato, Kushina, as everyone was watching this in the world of the summons, as all the summons were in utter shock. Even they were in the separate dimension, but their dimension was shaking with enormous amount of, you can say, power. Not some any power, but dark power, and they could only feel it, as even their sky started to turn dark, which was like impossible to begin with. And now on the other hand, Naruto had body was simply now striking with red lightning. And then Honor speak up and said, now, it seems that you have got the power of the Overlord. Now it's about time that you get the power of the Demon King as well. As I put a hand towards Naruto's head. And then he finally erupted into the reddish light as he said, make good use of my eyes. They are pretty special, even more powerful than the so-called Sage of Six Paths Rinnegan. As he erupted into the light, and once again, now the scene simply changed in the whole world, as all the 5 elemental nations had the darkest sky, as they were simply trembling with the dark energy all around. As Menma said, what is going on, Parvisage? As Jiraiya said, I have no idea. I have no idea. As while on the other hand, all the cages were in utter shock as the rumbling started to get greater and greater, as they started to, you can say, move all the civilians. As while on the other hand, Hiruzen was standing as he said, Ambu, as all the Ambus arrived and said, leave, take all the civilians into the bunkers. It seemed that things are getting rough here. And then the thunder started to strike the mountains that were around and the trees, as whole, you can say, landscape of the area started to change. And then finally Naruto's body was now surrounded by a blackish and reddish aura, as the lightning was striking all around him, as he opened his eyes to reveal 2 red eyes in them, as he had the power of the Ano's demonic eyes, as well as Ain's old goal. Well, that name is pretty stupid actually. Well, pretty funny as well. As Naruto smirked, this much power, huh? I never thought I had it in me. Though this will only make things boring. As he closed his eyes and surrounded all of his power back, and within seconds all the clouds started to disappear from the sky, as all the hidden villages were in pretty shock what just actually happened, as that was the thought in all of their minds. As Naruto simply shrugged it off and said, well, this should be easy enough. Alright, I'll be leaving now. As he started to move within the forest of death, ready to kill some animals and get used to all the abilities that are right now in his mind. Thousands of spells from the Ain's old goal, as well as all the abilities of the Demon King, Anu's Voldigod. So, that is that. So, okay guys, here I will leave this part. Hope you guys like this series. If you guys want the next part of this series, then the like goal is going to be, you guys already know, 300 likes, and for the comment goal, 180 comments. Do that and I shall upload the next part as quick as possible. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoy it. So yeah, peace.